My dear ones, the mind is the strongest companion, yet it can also be the most dangerous enemy. If you can master your mind, then nothing in this world can ever disturb your peace. Today, we have gathered here to calm the mind, or a restless mind can never see the truth. Just as muddy water can never reflect a clear image. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow your whole body to become light, relaxed, and at ease. Imagine yourself sitting in a quiet forest. Birds are singing around you. A soft breeze is blowing and the leaves are gently rustling. You are not alone. Nature itself is your companion. The mind often runs into the past. Sometimes it drifts into the future. But I tell you, the past is gone. The future has not yet come. Only the present is real. Embrace this very moment. If your mind wanders, if thoughts appear, do not try to stop them. Just observe, just witness, like clouds appearing in the sky and then slowly passing away. Now, return again to your breath. Breathe in and feel it. Breathe out and feel it. Every breath is like the wave of the ocean. It comes and it goes. With each breath, your mind is becoming calmer, as if all inner storms are fading away, leaving only the deep stillness of a silent sea. Remember this: to calm the mind does not mean to erase thoughts. It means to find stillness even in the midst of thoughts. Just as a lotus blooms untouched above the muddy water, in the same way, your mind can remain pure even in the midst of the world's chaos. Now slowly begin to open your eyes, but bring this peace back with you. My dear friend, if you practice this meditation, even for few minutes each day, your mind will become steady like a mountain, clear like a flowing river, and pure like the lotus. Always remember, true joy lives in a calm mind, true freedom lives in a calm mind, and in a calm mind lies the path to liberation.